Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to make Instagram highlights from camera roll. It's quite simple. All you need to do is to add them as a story, and then you can add that story as a highlight. How do you do this? Once you're here in your Instagram profile, click on your profile picture. Once you do that, you will see that now we have access to our camera roll. You can add any picture that you want. And yeah, this is the one that I choose. I want this as a highlight, so I'll quickly post it as a story. Once this is done, you can click on the story and see these three dots on the bottom right corner. Once you click on that, you will see an option where it says highlight. Once you click on highlight, you can either add this to an existing highlight or create a new one just for this picture. But for this case, I'll be adding this to the example highlights. And yeah, that is done. If I open up example and check the latest post, you will see that it has been successfully added as a highlight. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make Instagram highlights from camera roll. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.